Hey guys, this is Emmanuel with Funtown RV, and today we have a walkthrough of the 2022 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2893BS. Let's go take a look. Starting up front here, guys, we're gonna have the Curt turning point. This is gonna come standard on these Rockwoods. Up above me, on the front cap, we are gonna have a gel coat on the front cap, as well as a radiant barrier for insulation. Coming along the side, we're gonna start off with this massive pass-through storage that we have on this Rockwood. If you look inside, you can see what puts Rockwood right over the edge of quality and construction. It's gonna have a full aluminum structure in the pass-through storage, and that continues throughout this entire camper. This Rockwood comes standard with not one, but two awnings that again are gonna be lined with our LED light strips. This is gonna be a unit that has dual opposing slides in the living area for maximum space. Guys, you asked for them and Rockwood has listened. They've included the Goodyear Endurance tires on this Rockwood coach. Before you walk inside, guys, you're gonna notice that Rockwood has included a step above quad step to this model. That's because the suspension causes it to sit a little bit higher than most. We also have a motion sensor light as you walk into your coach as well. On this passenger side slide here, we're gonna have a mount to mount our TV. We're gonna have two marine grade outdoor speakers, LP quick connect so we can connect our grill, and we have a table that comes standard. It's not gonna come with the griddle standard, but you can go to mycamptown.com to get you a Blackstone stovetop. Coming along the back here, we're not gonna have anything too crazy, but we do have some essentials we love to see. We have our utility rack. This is only for utility, the receiver hitch as well, maximum 300 pounds. We're gonna have our ladder to access our fully walkable roof, and we are pre-mounted for a backup camera. Here we are inside of our Rockwood Ultra Lite, walking around our beautiful island here. I wanna get started at our 20 cubic foot General Electric fridge. This is gonna have a water dispenser, and it's gonna have a freezer that comes standard. Moving towards our stovetop, this is gonna be a 3-burner stovetop with our Magic Chef oven, our Greystone hood vent, and our Magic Chef microwave oven. You've already noticed that we have an island in this coach here. This is not gonna have a sink. The sink is behind me, but it is gonna be a little bar stool area for us to hang out. This is an awesome kitchen sink feature. This is actually gonna be where typically the coffee bar would be on most coaches, but this is gonna be a large basin sink, stainless steel sink with a drying rack. You can see this beautiful backsplash and lights underneath this cabinetry. Lots and lots of cabinet space. All right, in our passenger side slide, we are going to have our reclining sofas. Fun thing about these reclining sofas is they come in our chocolate color interior. This is the chocolate package of this coach. And they actually do have lumbar support as well. You might see the silver buttons on the inside of these sofas, and that is adjusting the lumbar on this couch. We also have a reclining feature. Our entertainment area here does house a small surprise for us. If we pull this lever here and open up the TV, you'll notice that we have tons of additional storage and a few outlets. Below, we're gonna have some cubby space to put any game consoles or receivers. We're also gonna have our stereo system, which does control the speakers on the inside and on the outside. We also have our electric heater that does emit ambient light, also tons of heat. I mentioned earlier the amount of storage space we have inside this coach, and this pantry is no exception. Check this out. Tons of space for storing, whether it's dry food that we can put in there, or if we want to throw a throw blanket, whatever. We even have storage space at the very bottom. In the bathroom, just want to point out some key features. We are going to have our porcelain foot flush toilet. We're going to have our beautiful walk-in shower that does have a built-in sink. It's also going to have the shower miser feature as well, so that way we can maximize the amount of water that we have in our tanks. In our master bedroom, we are going to have a king-size bed. Across from the king-size bed, we have a built-in dresser with 4 nice-sized cubby drawers. We're prepped for washer and dryer in this coach. It would have to be side-by-side washer and dryer, but we have tons of space still in this closet. In most campers, you'll notice that the beds have storage underneath. I love showing the Rockwood storage under the bed because you can see what sets them apart. it's that aluminum framing. This is gonna make our bed even more durable and last a long, long time. Thank you guys so much for joining us on a walkthrough of the 2022 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2893BS. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and remember that the fun starts here.